Welcome to AisleGuide, the grocery store convenience app. Here we're going to choose our items from the Lexington buy low. Right now it's showing you a page of all the items that can be found in the store alphabetically. This is one of a few ways that you can search for your items. What you do is you just click the box to the left of each item to add it to your current list. It'll get a running compilation of all the items you've selected that can later be viewed by clicking the View Current List button that you see right above the keyboard. Right now, I'm just adding a few items that I know are in different aisles, so I can show you how it guides you throughout the store. Alright, that should do it. So we're going to click on Current List now, and it'll show you all of the items that you have selected so far. Here you have an option to clear current list, navigate current list, and save current list. So we're going to save it. We're just going to call this one Example. Once we've saved our list, you have the option to load this at any time to guide you throughout the store, and it will change the order based on which location you have automatically. So here we're going to click the Navigate button, and it'll bring us to a page that shows us where those items can be located. The top item on the list is always going to be the one displayed in the aisle that is highlighted. So as you click through those, you'll see it changes the aisle location, and it will tell you exactly where to go to pick up that item. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to switch the store to a Publix. And then for this, instead of going through and choosing the items again, we're just going to go to our saved list page. Click on Example, and then we're going to hit the Navigate button again. You see it brings up a different display because we're now at a different location, and the order is different because it is going to guide you through how you go to that store instead of the other. Now I'm going to show you can add a new item. If there's something that you found in there that we don't currently have, you have the option to add it to a store-specific location. So we're going to add orange soda to the Publix because I didn't list that before. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add it under drinks so it can be sorted categorically. And we're going to have to assign this an aisle location so it knows how to sort it when you do compile a list later on. One thing we also like to keep track of is whether the item is perishable or not. So once we've saved the new item, you'll see we're going to search it here within the alphabetical. It is automatically inserted into the master list, and you'll be able to find that exactly where you would expect, alphabetically, or you can search for it, as we're doing now. One nice feature in our search bar is that you can also search by the categories that you assign to each item. So as you see, we typed in drinks, and we're getting bottled water, Gatorade, hot cocoa mix, and there, orange soda. If you're not quite sure what type of item you want in a category, we also have simply a categorical page, which is very similar to selecting from alphabetical. Instead, though, when you click on the category, it'll show you just all the items that can be found on there. You can go back and forth between alphabetical and the categorical pages to compile a list. You just select items from each, and they will be added to your current list. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add orange soda, the item we just added. And we're just going to make sure that that places that in the correct aisle here. So when you go to your current list, we have orange soda, and we're going to go ahead and navigate that. You'll see it's still at the Publix, and that can be found on aisle 1. So now your newly added item is integrated right into the mix of all the others.